Hi, yes sir, rise and grind. I'm back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video, I'm going to be doing something different. Got a 2019 Ford Transit 150, and it's a 3.7, I believe. We're going to be putting in a partition. Let me show you what we're looking at. Alright, this right here is what we're working with. I'll put it right behind the seats.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
Alright, this is before. Alright, we got everything set out. That's how the door is going to go. So I'm going to go ahead and assemble the doors before I put it in. It's all our parts, supplies. So I got my parts, all my supplies, bolts, everything. I had to verify everything so I can know where to put the bolts, and the screws, and yeah. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start putting these pieces together. Okay, so for this portion, we have these here. We got 28 of them. Got a Phillip head on it, washer, and we use a bolt, a nut. We're going to do that across the whole thing. Alright, I got everything together. They are not tightened all the way because I did want to, maneuver it and get it in. So, and I'm going to do everything else when I put it inside. I just wanted to get it in there like that for the time being, get it situated and assembled partially. Now this top part, we're gonna have to cut this out so we can get to this brace. That's what that is gonna attach to. So I had to cut back some more. It was protruding, it was coming out a little bit more, so that was keeping the top from touching that part. That's how I'm in here with it. Just pick it up. I'm gonna go ahead and mark my holes up here, and so I can start drilling. I went ahead and took that away from me here, put it up under there. Alright, go ahead and mark those holes. So what I did do is take that door off. We had these two bolts at the top holding it in. Looks like in order for this door to open, you remove those bolts and it's not attached there, and it'll swing open. And you see I got the door the hinges on. And now I'm gonna put the door back in. That's the drill bit 1/8. Got them all drilled out. Go ahead and add these. Got a washer, a lock washer. lock on, door handle. Okay, next we want to mount these bolts here. Go ahead and mount them. They're gonna hold the sides in. Got 6 of them, and then we got these long ones, washer and the lock washer. These right here, we got to drill holes into the floor like that. Put them in that position, drill the holes out, stick these down in there, and it's gonna act like as an anchor, and it's gonna hold it down when these go down in there. That's for the floor. That's how that look right there. Do that on both sides. Alright, next we're gonna get these sides and then we done. So I drilled my holes on these sides here. And after. That's gonna be it. I was missing a couple, so I didn't add. Just added 2 on each side.